In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Grubhub Gift Card. Let's get started by opening the Grubhub app or website. This is your first step on the path to enjoying a meal using your gift card. Whether you prefer the convenience of your phone or the larger screen of your computer, both options work seamlessly. Now, with the app or website open, it's time to add food to your cart. Browse through the various restaurants and cuisines available. Take your time to choose your favorite dishes. This is the fun part where you get to select exactly what you're craving. Remember, adding items to your cart is easy and intuitive. Simply click or tap on the items you want and they will be added to your cart automatically. Keep an eye on your total as you go so you stay within your gift card balance. Once you're satisfied with your selections, head over to checkout. This is where the magic happens, transitioning from just browsing to actually placing your order. At this point, make sure everything in your cart is correct. Double-check your order to avoid any surprises later. Next up, look for the option to add gift card or pay with gift card. This step is crucial because it's how you'll utilize your gift card for payment. Finding this option is straightforward, usually located within the payment section of the checkout process. It's designed to be user-friendly, so don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. With that ready, enter your gift card code. This code is usually found on the back of your gift card or in the email if it was sent electronically. Be careful to enter each character correctly. A simple typo could prevent the card from being accepted. This step is important because it allows the system to recognize the gift card and apply its value to your order. After entering the gift card code, click Apply. This action confirms the use of the gift card for your purchase. Once you click Apply, the system will automatically deduct the gift card amount from your total. You will see a confirmation appear showing the updated balance. This update ensures your gift card has been successfully applied and you can proceed with confidence. Now you're almost there. If your gift card covers the entire amount, you're all set. If not, you'll need to choose an additional payment method to cover the remaining balance. This could be a credit card or another payment option available on Grubhub. This step is important because it finalizes your payment, ensuring you're only charged for what your gift card doesn't cover. Finally, review your order one last time. Make sure everything looks perfect. Double-check the delivery address, the items, and the payment method. This final review is your opportunity to catch any last-minute mistakes. Once everything is correct, go ahead and place your order. You will soon receive a confirmation, and your delicious meal will be on its way. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to pay with a Grubhub gift card. It's a straightforward process that adds convenience and flexibility to your dining experience. Enjoy your meal and remember to keep your gift card handy for future orders. Thank you for watching and happy eating.